Hello everyone, myself Radha Kevatsha, as an assistant professor of Purnia University in Zoology department. Today I want to share some knowledge about fixed action pattern and its examples. So, the best example of fixed action pattern is given by grey leg goose. Okay, the egg retrieval behavior of grey leg goose gives the best example of fixed action pattern. So, the two scientists, or you can say the ethologists, Nico Tinbergen and Konrad Lorenz, describe the fixed action pattern in the egg retrieval behavior of the grey leg goose. First of all, we have to make the idea about sign stimulus. Like many ground nesting bird, if an egg becomes displaced from the nest, the grey leg rolls it back to the nest with its beak. So, in this case, the site of the displaced egg, okay, the site of the displaced egg is the work as the sign stimulus and elicit the egg retrieval behavior. Then what is the sequence of egg rolling behavior of grey leg goose? Hence we told previously that it is stereotyped and it is fixed. Then the first action is the goose. First is the goose fixate its sight on the egg. First the goose will see where is the egg. Next it extends its neck over the egg. And finally, it rolls the egg back to the nest using the underside of its beak. If the egg is removed from the goose during the performance of egg rolling, the bird will continue with the behavior, pulling its head back as if an imaginary egg is still being maneuvered. Here we can see the picture. Here in the first scene, the grey leg goose will fixate its sight to the egg, that it is the egg outside the nest is work as the sign stimulus in this case, and in the second case the grey leg goose will extend its neck underside of the egg, and then in the third picture we can see that the grey leg goose will try to roll over its egg from its beak, and in fourth case he or she will succeed in this and the egg is in the nest. So the main important thing is that when the sign stimulus is released, it will be completed. That is, it will fix that if the grey leg goose sees its egg outside the nest, she will pull over the egg in the nest, and these are the steps are fixed, and this action will happen step by step. So thank you. This is enough for the today lecture. Next day we will see another fact about fab. Thank you.